President of the National Olympics Committee, Mr. Paul Tergat, to come and make his remarks. Mr. Paul Tergat is one who needs very little introduction, both to Kenyans and to the international world, given that he carried the Kenyan flag high for many years in the marathon field. Welcome, Paul.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and the head of the members of, head of KDF, Deputy President, all protocols observed, distinguished guests, good morning or afternoon. First of all, I want to say this. We are standing here today because of the pain that we are going through. Kelvin was one of the very unique athletes that we just had. I want to tell you this, that today, when we wake up, when we got this information of Kelvin that has left us, it was such a, not really something that I could believe myself that it has really happened. But I want to say this. It is an history that it has never happened before. Personally, I went into denial mode for so long. And even today, I still believe that if Kelvin was still around, the only thing that maybe we would want maybe to see is the history we was going to make going forward. We all know one thing, that sports is one of its own that is able to bring us all together as a nation. I only want maybe to echo what the General has just said, that our sportsmen and women needs more of support to be able to enjoy and explore more of their talents. Remember that at this time, as we are heading to the Olympic Games in Paris, the only thing, and I'm requesting our sportsmen that they are going to be part and parcel of this team, that the only tribute we are going to give to our brother, our champion, our legend, Kiptum, is to make sure that when we go to Paris, every medal that we will be participating in, we make sure we get, in his honor, we bring those medals. To the family of Kiptum, the father, his wife, and the children, we will be standing with you. We know what you are going through. It's such a painful moment. But I want to assure you that we are all together in this. As Olympic movement, especially National Olympic Committee, we are together. There are so many people in terms of even the Olympic movement. President Dr. Thomas Parr has joined in to pay his condolences to you, all of you, to convey his condolences to you all, especially to the family, because what Kiptum has done in a very short time has really touched each and everyone across the world. So in this regards, I want to say, Pole to the family, and I'm very proud that the whole government is here to pay the last respect to this young gentleman that has left us. As we pay the last respect today, for him we say, may God bless you and rest in peace. Kiptum, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Tergat. Allow me to now welcome some athletes who are going to speak